I am fana ke ma 7 bona re ba lata ka bo 11 na re tsena ke di rekere fana hit ka kile a ke beat rekere a ke fata ke skebe show ke skebe show e ke fata ke di nebe show I am fana ke ma 7 bona re ba lata ka bo 11 na re tsena ke di rekere.
There we go again. Our president, our talent, our Fatima. Moagi wa rona go Fatima jaaka ba bangwe. Re lebeletse re tota ka dipolotiki, sekolo, everything e tsagalang mo Fatima. Re tlo di brief-a ka tsone. So today, a focus thata mo dipolotiki, re focus mo tsa sekolo. Today re tlo bua ka gore why go sekolong go sena subject gate e go sena period ya music, art le sports, etc. Tango.
Dumelang babuti ko gae. My name is Philip Sita Mokasi ba nkitse ka Daddy. Ke goletse teng mo Fatima. Yeah. As an artist too, I'm an artist. I'm too much supportive into the development of music. Early development, meaning bana ba rona, they need to learn music from grade up to understand the art for the drums, the beat, and vocally in music. The choreograph itself in music. So they must know music. Basket music sets a university or sets to recognize themselves. It means it will take them longer to recognize themselves from grade R until after school and then I start no, then I have money, I can take myself to university where it's a music. It will be late by that time because I jail with the beat or vocal or skipile the channel. Yes, you understand what I say. Because it's good for a child, especially Rona Batsadi, to motivate. We can motivate that as the parents, so that school can realize from Rona Batsadi gore king e tshwantse e tle ko sekolong. Wa tlhaloganya? We can say that now, but the thing is, ko sekolong, if we don't bring it to them, to the educational departments, ne? For instance, if I can take it, the whole country, like the accident, ne? Like the accident, you don't teach Banabarona, the lessons are driving from school. That is part of it. I guess if they were knowing okay, the whole time, all those things, in any subject, by the past, I guess they shouldn't go to driving school when they want to work as the taxi drivers, when they want to work as the truck drivers. They shouldn't just go to school for. Then experience will be grown by the time. I get then only the basics, I get the theoretical, then practically in the part yeah. Meaning is the driving school should also come to school. For instance, I'm just doing an example on that. Now I'm too much based in music, but I'm saying if Banabarona from now to the next coming 20 years, it means reduce the accident because the knowledge. Yeah, which means he will keep in yeah for more than 90 speed humps up until then. Bana they don't know the purpose of speed humps. Bana they don't know the purpose of why should we drive 60 kilometers per hour more area in they will only know that when they go to driving school and they will fail the license the license. Meaning is they lose their money when that must go to school. It's not about us, it's about Banabarona. Or not still by the time. Maybe gonna volume about it are very higher. I get than now because people are born, people are dying. Yes, I know. I get but still you take it for an example or like a volume bahula. You tell yourself, okay, if they survive now because already cure probably we are trying to save the lifestyle. Probably we want the volume. The more then meaning is we are going to have mafu amanzi unnecessarily alorona. We are a generation here now, receive the next generation.
ka bona papi gore mo phatsima go na le di-artist tse dintsi mare support e ba di kry-ang gape le yone mo phatsima a ke nagane gore ke yone support e ba e tlhokang pila re leka support mo phatsima di-artist tsa bone.
Yeah, I do agree with you. Like we said, it start from early development. For instance, I've been an artist for quite long. Kenale album two, which is solo album and a cappella. A cappella is a project they are Platinum Rocks. I'm a founder of Platinum Rocks. The solo album it's my own album which I was using instrumental, and then now going back to Daba Eriguanga Yona, when it comes to Daba Yahori support, now you know, before when I was doing my first album, some music got CD. Again, now lately after the cassette after, but now the more generation had CD. Again, then it went to Daba Yahori the CD. They are right you. Then you sell in town, promoting your music or Dakota or whatever, or in music shops. Jiki moto killing or copyright and then gradi CD sound it's all over. And the same style now was doing self-marketing, like now agent or whoever. Again. Now the same system music they drop he uya wena usi proactive more media, like when you go to social medias, you must now recently the artists are no banale channel. Banale a good channel when you can sell your music ka phone ya how or ka laptop ya how or ka tablet ya how. Yes, I get. But that one it batla information irrelevant. Again, go iTunes and all those social platforms, but then use your data again. Then for the artist to know if Rebuela Petu our topic, it means we are late to implement to let our community to know we have this artist and because before you were supposed to carry on TV or a familiar how you want TV first, then they can believe your music is good. Like coming with your CD, I say I'm an artist. I can't buy something 6 hours meaning this you must go a long way. Go the radio interview, TV, and then and then they will buy your story. You take for an example, if I can go to our famous artist, Master KG. You know what happened to Jerusalem? A year after Islam we celebrate in our own country, in our own blood. After we celebrate after a year, the country recognize and celebrate. That's when we start now. Go to police station, go to fire station. We very overall of the uniform. The start and rates. The Chinese, the Americans, and all those things. So I understand. They are celebrating our own child. Then when we started to see, this person is recognized, then it's when we start now. Then we start to celebrate our one. So it starts from the wood. Motswadi celebrate one how mo support. If it's football, buy soccer boots. If it's a jersey or bolo, buy. Then don't just buy those things. So make go starting, other level starting. When I say parent, make your own time. Go o level one how. See, don't be told about talent. One how. Again, it should start at home. Like they say, charity begins at home. It's not only charity. Again. Even starts on ourselves. It started from the ground again. So the ground should be good for starting. Okay, let's do this. Okaske wa jwala mengu wa kotula apo. So mujwadi kena atlo tsibisang batho yena o jwala seed. We will never see that again, we will only recognize this is me. But Mujwadi na easy before. Again, then the parent must stand up and say, I knew for one has got this. Okay. then it goes with me. I'm grown up in an environment with my sisters and siblings, families. We were singing just in the church singing. And I've been in church singing, and I would see what I can sing from church. Yeah, I recognize myself. Hey, this boy, I was young, this boy can sing. And then then I can feel inside, oh no, I can sing.
Music is my thing.
But now it was okay, each background I go high doesn't allow me to go to any studio. I took a long journey working the album. Like we are saying, they must learn music. It's not only to be an artist, to be a sound engineer, to be a mastering engineer, or a mixing engineer. You can't just be an artist. Only artist behind the scene, by the recording studios. Then what will encourage Wana for a recording studio when there's no one who is interested to become an artist? Or that's why they want themselves and say we are buying one on a keyboard. It's good. A keyboardist is an artist in herself. Artist is not only the one who plays the drums. Artist. Choreography, much obinang mino wasetso. Dancing, I created those moves for every three and then this and then choreograph, art. That's why I work arts and culture now. Our leaders, fellow leadership, arts and culture, we can go politically and blame them and say, Aba support they don't build grounds, Aba build these sports facilities and all. Now I've traveled a long journey, Mukasi, Mupatima. Ages ago when we were using Uchibelo primary as like in any school say one, Mukasi. Ne generation around school of Ru, and even our viewers will tell that. There is school of primary netena Ru. Middle school, high school, by that time reduce our homework. Again, 12 o'clock, attend school. Again, the guardian school on the Tatema side, who's no Blawan and Tatema side in Okoboto Kanzamba. Yeah, Hinduism is well known. Then Tate Mulife, Willie Mulife, Pamitika Papatebo, Papa, Willie Mulife. The lady guidance at school, they were taking the lead caretakers at school by then, and then the principal was Mr. Mutswenyani. Yeah, Mr. Mutswenyani, he was our principal by then. So before Baraka Kaya we had volume of Baba Mupatima, which is we didn't want Banawa the high school outside, but we were sharing school. There was not even time we have to clean a school by then because immediately primary to high school says Baba prepare the class right so back understand. So it came time for Daram come how we had Kaya later. And then it was a good thing, yes, but the more community grows. Then again, going back to what I was going to talk about, we were also using the classes at school. I was doing art again. But the art it was a martial art. I was doing style JKA, which is now you can recall again. Like as community, but it's more because of the sports star they don't get enough support.
From the
okay, right. Now the victim or I can say the part Yamoto owner Jimisa at karate as part of JKA. I was a simple and we were using those classes. And then happy the school there was the team Mokasi, Bokanasi, Flamingo, Batoperi. Particular style came just later then. The team in the player Wontunda, Bogo Stago, Bogo Tuso, all those players really well known Mokasi Akane. right ke bua ka Phatsima in general as community ya mo Phatsima grown up ke le community ya mo Phatsima le bona ba berekisa the crowd ya school again it was closer to school the ball ya bouncer it break the first year le rona area ro jima karate for the open the school was open for even community but they were chilling there as well again then gonna go to the desk and all those things again the cost the cost government they are to and all the community there is not community hall when okay this is a community hall yes but it's done for the sports it's indoor karate there is now indoor venue which is an indoor sports again so they really request that go the principal or manage can we use school then but over years as a community because you've got nowhere to go but the thing is you must make sure for the are na hadi to hadi robe the whole style is a two side karate in style which is the JKA Japan Karate Association release a shotokan ne kung fu ne so I'm talking this because I can see topic Arona away from this. I'm just generalizing the topic or understand where I come from, like Heribuaka youth, Hokruma youth from scratch. It needs to be courageously, the infrastructure, again, the equipment, the to help Bana to, again, for instance, if I can say, it won't be a mistake for Phatsima and the college. Again, because whenever when they perfect a metric or whatever, they still go outside. Go hunt and go back to Patella accommodation. Here they won't pay. Chatela accommodation, it can help Patella the so one then musically opposed to like the artist and all those things. They teach them the DJs there and on. For them to know, okay, as a DJ, you need to have a certificate. Again, then the royalty side the player, I'm saying the artist. Artist must know who register who sample, who register who risa. My album, either it's a single, full album. Again, how you register? You need to go to Joburg. You are spending money to go to do that. By then, now, I can do it over my phone. Can register my album. So then okay, this is my music. Then I can start. I can do a song today. Can register. But now one need to be taught how to do it. Then happy if it's a big agent. Someone from Joburg, an agent there one Phatsima. Then one Phatsima is going to spend money about the agent. Music money social platform. Then sometimes you won't know agent another account I would say aside benefit double than an artist. Then going back to Tabayadi Hall and all those things, Phatsima, like now we are lucky because we have Magoya in our side now again, trying to do something good and applause big up to him because Do is trying something it shows Wanumulena can bring up something more Pilumba because for our community to know something, again, one child must have a way of bringing something. Our community they have phones, they are buying data. Then you go via Facebook, then you advertise this thing, but show interest in that, and then from there, we're not this. Like now, Phatsima, if you can do or no, the artist of Phatsima we need to meet again. Really, session to talk about music, to bring knowledge to music. Now they say I didn't know what studio. I went to studio, Loudly Comics, first album, and where you say Phatsima if or Velali crew, you need to pay a taxi. For the whole crew, again, they must sleep if the half face album. Again, ke di-backing vocals tsa hao, especially mo style a ke di-style ha di tshwane mo styleng sa music se ke se tlalang. Nna I ended up my first album okay ka fortunate le modimo a nthusitse ke kgona ho opela di-voice tso tsohle.
Okay.
So my first album ke entse ke ibeka myself. Lucky someone can't do it because you don't need to save money in that manner. You need the voice tsa di backing. Then o kwalla di artist tse ding ke di artist di backing vocals ke di artist. Wa tlhaloganya o kwalla di artist tse ding go expose their talent. Wa tlhaloganya. And then again ke ithutile dilo tseo ke le ko Joburg. Why ge ne ke sa ithuti ke le mo gae? Meaning I would have been far. Well, now that's why I get on my side. Again, I'm not jealous to expose another artist who needs that information. I get Gano loudly commix the studio says Samo is to the group ya Metlangwa, it was a group ya culture. Ellen like Kupa Kerman Banabaka Setimu, they are going to spend a lot of money. So why Rasate studios are how unfortunately, that project ila fela moyeng. Why? Because of tšhelete mo gae ga iyo ga gona mebereko ga gonang ne. So ebe fela mo moyeng. I get right. Re blame environment e re golelang mo yona. I get or no, batsadi they don't work and we are trying what we I tried what I can do to bring the studio closer, but to expose the talent ya bana. Now I'm sure ba godile na then at Clap and Tap, yeah, another brother, may his soul rest in peace. Kolisile, he's been in Clap and Tap for very long. Mopatima wa meet, Natsamaka wheelchair. He's the one. Now I used to do also Clap and Tap myself because he came talking our proactive when it comes to. That's why heading invite him. I didn't mind because this community kiaga and I'm this community myself. So Kolisile, I introduced him as well in studio to record the album Yabona and my nephew Oling Tulani Tulani Sita yeah, he's a vocal leader in Clap and Tap. So he was part of the group. Yeah, Kolisile. So courageous Liliana he was supposed to be far because he's done Tap and Tap at the age of 10.
At an early age.
Age of 10, he was leading okay, more family we knew where he's going, but already we are Fatima in general. Tulane at this stage is supposed to have 10 albums. Because vocally he's got everything. Speaking Yaka Malume, again speaking Yaka community. Then we go back to Pablo Basile. Pablo Basile is my backing vocalist and a choreography mo album ya Platinum Rocks. For him to have knowledge just studio, he came through me again. And I'm proud of him because he took that seriously. It's an album and Abona Budumisa and all those things. Lena, Abono, this is the channel. So it's because of I'm thinking of community. Yeah, that's all, man. For a day, I think now, but I think for our community, it's all I can give for now. But I still can give more. Maybe can knowledge the information because it is what it is. At the end of the day, they are willing to be artists and all. I don't want them to travel the journey again. Then the event, it's not about outside the event or research and get money. Start from more higher one. Yeah, but we don't need to be ashamed of our kasi. Kasi tonally every kasi na challenge, yeah, and then challenge Fatima if is is because of Medereko Kayo. That's number one. Everyone overtime everything mo Fatima. ya Sun Village,
Yeah.
including ba ba gona le support grant. A re tseye ka motsadi today, a single parent o golang support grant ne ya ngwana o one gore a fitlhe ko Sun Village o Sun City. Tshwanetse a spende 17 rand e a adimileng ko makhelwane, and then a palame taxi ka 18 rand a ye ko Sun Village mo taxi, and then knowing that ko fitla ke withdraw tšhelete, we don't have ATMs, we don't have other shops apart from yona Sun Village ne. Then go Pep Store, when I'm sorry to go a shop, you forgive me in that because it's an interview. When you want to buy something or to withdraw money, again, you need to buy something. Sa 50 rand for instance. That parent o lebeletse tšhelete ya di-grant e tlo kwala dikoloto tsa mo gae le dijo tsa ngwana. O loser 50 rand again, and mo 50 randeng e lona le 17 rand ya adimileng ko makhelwane, then o tlo palama ka 17 rand. Motho o spendile bokae, o sala ka bokae, then tshwanetse a rekele ngwana dilo tse e le gore di tlo mo push-a for kgwedi. For instance, I'm just doing an example. Or if mo Phatsima we had franchise like shopo tse le gore di dona, as much as the supermarket, as much as the shopo tse le gore ra itse gore they are cheaper in the prices. If I can name them,
What the hell is the king doing to the beat?
Joshua ke bafana ba le hape utlwa ba utlwa ka fa tsho ba bolela ba ka skene ba go botsa jo go tsena ke tsene we kete utlwa